In two-dimensional drawing, there are always situations where you need to close certain regions of the drawing in order to facilitate your editing, such as moving or rotating and even the application of a hatch pattern. There are two tools available here for this purpose, Boundary and Region on the Draw panel. The Boundary command closes regions in unconnected entities. You can join existing regions into a single one and a complex shaped region to calculate the area. Let's take a look at this simple example to see how it works. Look at these overlapping circles. So as you can see, there are two separate geometries. Then you can create a region in this area where the objects meet. Click the Boundary tool and see how it opens a dialog box. The Pick Points option is available for this, where you define the area for creating a region. See how now there is a new object, and then you can move and edit this geometry. Use the Properties command to calculate the area in this type of geometry. Take a look at this other example with unconnected lines, which is not a single object. Let's create a region on this floor plan. Click the Boundary command and then click on a specific place on the drawing. Now it's possible to capture useful information for sketching a floor plan drawing. As the Region command creates two-dimensional closed zones from the shapes you have sketched. Polylines, lines and curves are valid selections. Circular curves include arcs, circles, elliptical arcs, ellipses and splines. Then, when you select the entire drawing and apply the command, you see some areas are not joined and then create separate regions. Additionally, another region was created and includes the entire floor plan outline. Take a look at this. Let's explore a created region to improve your understanding. These two lines do not meet at the same point, so the program does not consider the shape as closed. Next to that, you see an example where the lines were correctly sketched and then there are no problems with this created region. Quite often there are cases like this when it's necessary to sketch lines over other lines to be able to create the region correctly. Another way to do this in the drawing is to use the Polyline command to be able to close the model.